Section 51.
Hi everyone, what's up guys? Welcome on Section 51. This is DosGeek. You are watching Section 51 for a new video about UFOs, about aliens maybe, about all the science, about all the strange stories, the strange events surrounding us nowadays. And this is very strange what's happening every day on Earth today. So guys, today we're going to talk about a strange case of a UFO which closed an airport in China, and it was in the year 2010. Okay? So please let me invite you now to go to the web in order to read together this new article and in order to discuss about all of this now. Okay, so we are on the website ufoalienreality.com, which is reporting, I guess, from time to time some UFO sightings, UFO events all around the world. And the title of the article, today's article, is "A UFO Closed a China Airport." That's an article written on January the 4th of 2020. This is a case from 2010. Almost 1,000 people's flights were delayed for about 4 hours by a UFO in China. Cool pics. 6 or more flights were grounded for about 1 hour by a UFO near Qiaoshan Airport in Hangzhou, China, on July 7th of 2010. Back when I first wrote about it, I said it looks like a blimp to me. I guess that's the author speaking. UFOs shut down an airport in China's Zhejiang province and turned heads in a major city, but a renowned space expert says the strange lights in the night sky will likely turn out to be more identifiable flying lights. Just days after the Xiaoshan Airport grounded flights due to bizarre lights, China's state-controlled news agency published photographs of a mysterious diamond-shaped object sighted over Chongqing, sparking speculation about extraterrestrial visitors. So we have a picture. This is not a picture of a diamond-shaped UFO, but we have here a video of a UFO that caused China airports to shut down. So let's watch this.
Qiaoshan Airport to stop operations on July 7th. Outbound flights were grounded after the unidentified flying object was detected by a flight crew. The incident has captured the attention of Chinese media. Theories about the UFO's identity are burning up on the internet as well. They include everything from a hidden U.S. bomber to an elaborate man-made hoax. For now, the UFO continues to be a mystery. A spokesman from China's Civil Aviation Administration confirmed to ABC News that the matter is under investigation.
Hey, it's moving. That's very strange. Don't tell me this is aircraft flares now. Oh, disappearing.
UFO over China.
According to reports, an airport in Inner Mongolia was forced to shut down to prevent passenger jets from crashing into the unidentified flying object. Witnesses reported a bright light shining in the sky before it suddenly vanished. On July 8th, Shaoshan International Airport was shut down because of a UFO. Officials later confirmed the object sighted was part of a military test. This latest show in the sky makes for the 8th reported UFO sighting in China since June.
It's strange, the ray of light coming from the UFO. Was it a drone? And we have this little spot, this little light spot which is moving very fast. That can't be Venus which is moving. Very strange. This is the end of the article, and we have another article speaking about the subject. UFO shuts down a major airport in China again, on the website mysteriousuniverse.org. Written by Paul Seaburn on September of 2015. There don't appear to be any official records of a UFO ever shutting down a major airport in the US. In China, on the other hand, it's happened 3 times in 5 years. Are Chinese air traffic controllers more respectful of UFO airspace or more fearful? The latest instance of a Chinese airport closing down because of a UFO sighting appears to have happened late last week or over the weekend, and a video of a newscast showing the UFO was posted on August the 29th of 2015. So let's watch this new video.
昨天上午，一艘飞艇突然出现在了南宁市青秀区的上空。由于事发突然，差点把正在执勤的警用直升机给撞沉了。昨天上午，一艘带动力装置的飞艇突然出现在南宁市杭阳国际城区域上空，来回在空中盘旋了几圈，恰好遇上了在这附近执勤的警用直升飞机，把当时正在空中执勤的民警吓了一跳。
首先，它可能会坠落，坠落的时候就引发地面的人员财产的可能会砸伤。
I don't know if the video is authentic,
会有一些燃料在上面，那么坠落下来可能。
but the shape of the UFO seems very strange.
这艘约7米长的飞艇沿着民族大道飞到了七岔路口，飞艇上还印着某汽车 4S 店的字样。
And the move is very intriguing.
飞艇并没有按照程序报批，也没有获得空管部门的许可。为了
And it reminds the shape of the previous UFO with the lights.
要求他们立即停止此次飞行活动。昨天中午，某汽车 4S 店停止了飞行。
If it's an authentic video, it's very spectacular.
任何单位和个人在中国境内从事通过航空活动，应当向飞行管制。
As I don't know, I don't read the Chinese. I don't know if these informations are real or are false? What do you think? The shape is very interesting. There is no indication of which airport it is, of course. That's becoming more complicated, at least for non-Chinese speakers. At the beginning, it shows a round object passing over the airport. The object appears to change forms and become elongated to a cigar shape. The video shows military personnel apparently watching the UFO, but no one seems to be mobilizing or panicking. Could it be because they have been through this before? On July the 7th of 2010, a UFO was spotted at the Jiaoshan airport in Hangzhou, China at 8:40 p.m. by the crew of a plane preparing to land. The crew notified air traffic control and the airport was immediately shut down. All outgoing flights were grounded and 18 incoming flights were diverted to airports in Ningbo and Wuxi. UFO shuts down Jiaoshan Airport in China. Normal operations were resumed somewhere between 1 and 4 hours later, but passengers and local residents were left in the dark as to what the UFO might be. Speculation ranged from a US missile to a Russian satellite to a secret Chinese military plane to a meteor. Officials from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, CAAC, told the media that the incident was under investigation, but no record of any formal explanation is readily available. There seems to be no information from the Shanghai UFO Investigative Research Center either. Why not? Perhaps they were warned by yet another UFO shutting down an airport, this time on October the 6th of 2010 in Inner Mongolia. The news report mentions the previous sighting and says it was a military test, but gives no details nor no information on the next one. So these videos, we ever watched them? 3 Chinese airports shut down by UFOs in 5 years. Do you think there is more shutdowns that we don't know about? Why are Chinese officials so quick to close airports after UFO sightings? What do they know and why don't we know it? And here Paul Seaburn is the editor at Mysterious Universe. We have some comments. Absolutely 100% blimp. Look closely, it turns. Looks like a blimp. Oh, I'm not sure it's a blimp. Not a balloon and not the first time this type of craft was seen over Chinese cities or airports. If it were a balloon blowing in the wind, you would have heard of winds there of over 140 kilometers per hour. Because at times it was flying that fast, but that isn't the case. This is the same type of craft flying over demonstration in China about a year ago, where the government's officials were heard demanding the people exit the streets because of the UFO overhead. That UFO was also misidentified as a UFO-shaped drone, a 20-meter diameter drone that was recorded on their military and airport radar. As a question. Not likely. It's time to accept and admit that we have visitors, just like our forefathers that reported these things since recorded history. ETs do exist, and saying it was a shape shifting is a misconception. It was moving, banking and turning. The point of view was just perspective. Definitely a shape-shifting craft. Couldn't the first video be a stray balloon decoration? I let you read some comments. Strange, a translation of the report, the Chinese report, could be interesting. Perhaps there is a simple explanation in the report of how a disk becomes a blimp. And I'm curious to know how much views got this video on YouTube. It was published on 2015 by the channel Michael Cohen and 200,000 views. At 1:10, guy looking at computer screen with binoculars. Let's see this. At 1:10. Yeah.
要求他们立即停止此次飞行活动。昨天中午。
Do you think he's looking at the computer with the binoculars? No, I don't know. I think he must be in the tower, the control tower at the airport. It was just a joke. Okay. So that's very interesting again. So guys, what do you think of this? Is it real? Is it true? Or could these UFO reports be fake? Could it be a hoax? I don't know. Sincerely, I don't know, because the videos were quite real. The moves were not. It doesn't seem that the video were manipulated. But if they were manipulated, they are very well manipulated. For me, the truth is out there. Maybe not in this kind of videos, but maybe in the space. All over our heads, we don't hold the truth. We don't know. Maybe one day we will know the truth. Okay, guys. This is the end of this new video. I hope you liked it. If this is the case, if you liked it, please like, share the content, subscribe to the Section 51 channel, and of course there will be a new video next time on Section 51. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Live long and prosper, and until the next video, don't forget to visit our official Spreadshirt shop on the internet, the official shop of Section 51. Okay guys, see you next time on Section 51. This was DosGeek. Bye!